Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Old Harbour, the fastest growing town in Jamaica. And they are building a massive mall out here called the Dorchester Mall. This is going to be the largest mall in Old Harbour. And straight ahead, coming into view, that area that's, I guess, zinced off. That's where they're going to be building it, right in the heart of Old Harbour, right in the heart of the town of Old Harbour. So we are going to give you more information on what's planned here. Old Harbour is continuing to change, and another major commercial development could add even more momentum to the town's growth. Today we are looking at the proposed Dorchester Mall, a development plan for Old Harbour St. Catherine. The project is expected to bring a new shopping and commercial destination to the area, adding to the growing number of businesses and developments transforming Southwest St. Catherine. The Dorchester Mall project is planned for part of the Marley Racecourse property in Old Harbour. According to environmental permitting information from the National Environment and Planning Agency, the development involves the construction and operation of a shopping and commercial complex measuring 5,000 square meters or greater. That means this is not simply a small roadside plaza. The project is designed as a significant commercial development that could accommodate a range of businesses and services. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we will keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.